In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your website using both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps you'll need to boost your site's functionality using Wix's intuitive dashboard and editor tools. To get started, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the setup page at manage.wix.com. Once you have accessed this page and are logged into your Wix account, you'll find yourself in the Setup section. This is your command center for managing various aspects of your Wix website, from settings to app integrations. From there, you'll need to head over to the Wix editor to make real-time changes to your site. In the Wix editor, begin by focusing on enhancing your site's visual elements and functionality. To do this, locate and click on the Add Elements button on the left-hand side of your screen. Adding new elements is crucial because it allows you to customize and optimize your website content, keeping it fresh and interactive for your visitors. Now that you're in the Add Elements section, the next step is to click on the Button option. This will not only bring a plethora of pre-designed button styles for you to choose from, but also enhance the user experience on your site by enabling interactive elements. Once you've clicked on the Button option, it's time to integrate it into your site. Click again within the editor to set this button on your desired page or section. With your button in place, the next logical step is to set its properties to function correctly. You'll need to click on Settings, where you can adjust not only the button's design elements, but also set up any link functionalities. Click on Choose a Link to specify what happens when your visitors click on the button. This could be anything from redirecting to a new page, opening a file or document, or initiating a mailing service. Once you've opened the Choose a Link section, proceed by clicking on Choose a Page. This step allows you to link the button directly to a specific page on your website. One typical choice is the online store page, especially if you have e-commerce capabilities on your site. Clicking on Online Store makes sure your button fulfills its purpose, like guiding customers directly to the shop, thereby streamlining the shopping experience. Finally, after configuring the button to perform the functions you desire, click on Done. This essential step ensures your settings are properly saved and reflected on your website. After completing these steps, hit the Save button on the top right corner of your editor. Saving your work regularly is crucial to avoid losing any of your changes and to ensure everything is updated seamlessly. By following this guide, you'll be able to confidently navigate and utilize the tools available on manage.wix.com and editor. Wix.com, significantly enhancing your site's effectiveness and visitor experiences.